the time of my PG preparation only, I started reading the textbooks and created the base. And after that, solved MCQs. The thing that helped me most was the interview session from speed. Preparation started from basics only. I started reading the physiology, and by the time of second year, I tried to solidify my base. Because if the base was not strong, it was very difficult to go to the super specialty postings and all. NEET last year, I did my MCQs from speed.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members and team of SPEED to Dr. KrittikaBrahmachari for scoring AML 12 and CML 16 in Neuro
Thank you so much.
Anaesthesiology and Neuro Critical Care in NEES session April 2026. Congratulations to you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Great. Now, can we know your brief background from where you started, what all you have done till date?
Yes, sir. I come from West Bengal, Kolkata. I did my MD from Sagardattu Medical College in the year of 2025. Now I am the senior resident in Sharachandra Chakrabarty Government Medical College. And my super specialty posting was in the SSKM hospital. From there only, I got my interest in neuro anesthesia. It was very good experience for me. And during the time of my PG preparation only, I started reading the textbooks and created the base. And after that, solved MCQs. And the thing that helped me most was the interview session from speed.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So, can we know your methodology of preparation strategy that helped you to achieve this rank?
So preparation started from basics only. I started my basics from the first year only. I started reading the physiology, and by the time of second year, I tried to solidify my base. Because if the base was not strong, it was very difficult to go to the super specialty postings and all. And simultaneously, I was also preparing for my final MD exam. I was only reading from Miller's textbook, and after that, I started preparing for the long questions. For NEET last year, I did my MCQs from speed. Unfortunately, I was not able to give my NEET. So after that, I gave this one, the NEES April and interview session, and I used to read in between my duties.
Great. The number of questions you attempted in this exam?
The number of questions I attempted 76 questions.
Okay, can you share something about the paper? I mean, how it was? I mean, what was the general part of anesthesia? What about the specialty part of anesthesia?
Yes, sir. The paper was mostly from the basics of anesthesia, like the vapor pressures of the inhaled anesthetics. After that, the basic of CMRO2, the cerebral blood flow, and the cerebral physiology. Very super specialty question was not much there. The base was if the base was strong, anyone can crack it. The questions were from the basics only, physiology mostly.
Okay. What will be advice for the future aspirants?
Sir, yes, sir.
What will be your advice for your future, for the future aspirants of DM Neuro Anesthesia?
So I will always say that first make your basics strong, the physiology part mostly, and after that the anatomy part. If the basics are not clear, then it is very difficult to crack the NESS papers.
Okay. Time to thank and whom all you want to thank that they helped your career from day one till date.
I want to thank my teachers, my mother, and my two dogs. I have two dogs at my home. If they were not there, the schedule would have been very hectic. They were my stress busters. My friend, my co-PGTs, and the team that have helped me in the way I'm shaped today.
Fantastic. Very good. Congratulations to you and best wishes to you. And we wish you all the very best and all the success for a great and amazing and wonderful career in DM Anesthesiology and Neurocritical Care Medicine. An amazing job and a career. Best wishes to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.